Understanding Personal Consumption Expenditures, PCE. Personal Consumption Expenditures, PCE, often simplified as consumer spending, encapsulates a vital aspect of the U.S. economy. This measurement captures the total spending on goods and services by individuals across the nation, forming a critical part of economic analysis. The Bureau of Economic Analysis, BEA, a U.S. government agency, oversees the compilation and reporting of PCE statistics, making it an essential indicator for economists, businesses, and policymakers alike. What is personal consumption expenditures? PCE serves as a gauge of consumer spending behavior, accounting for approximately two-thirds of all domestic spending while significantly influencing the gross domestic product, GDP. Its primary role is to reflect how individuals allocate their financial resources to consume goods and services, thus providing insight into the economic landscape of the country. Understanding PCE helps experts evaluate economic strength, consumer sentiment, and potential inflationary pressures. Components of PCE. The PCE measurement includes several components, categorized into durable goods, non-durable goods, and services. 1. Durable goods, products with a lifespan of over 3 years, such as cars, electronics, and appliances. 2. Non-durable goods, items that are consumed quickly and have a lifespan of less than 3 years, such as food, clothing, and gasoline. 3. Services, intangible products, including healthcare, education, accommodation, and legal services. The BEA tracks these expenditures and aggregates them into an overall monthly report titled the Personal Income and Outlays Report, which includes personal income, disposable personal income, and the PCE Price Index. PCE Price Index, CP. A critical aspect of PCE is the PCE Price Index, CP, which measures the price changes associated with the spending reflected in PCE. This index serves as a tool for assessing inflation in the economy, capturing price fluctuations for a broad spectrum of goods and services. The core PCE Price Index, which excludes food and energy prices, provides a clearer underlying trend of inflation by mitigating the volatility of these items. The Federal Reserve uses the CP as its primary inflation gauge, favoring it over the Consumer Price Index, CPI, due to several advantages. Consumer behavior adaptation. The CP accounts for changes in consumer behavior, such as when consumers switch to substitute goods in response to price variations. Broader coverage. The PCE Price Index encompasses a wider range of expenditures than the CPI, providing a more comprehensive view of consumer spending. Flexible adjustment mechanism. The CP is better equipped to integrate past information with current data, lending it to dynamic shifts in spending. How is PCE measured? The BEA measures PCE by gathering data on consumer purchases from various sectors, including those made domestically and abroad. The expenditure measurement includes not just spending at retail locations, but also encompasses purchases made by households, including government-provided services. Expenditures made by nonprofit institutions. Households' purchases of used goods. Spending made on behalf of households through employer-sponsored health insurance and pension contributions. Importance of PCE data. The significance of PCE data extends far beyond marketplace analysis. It offers vital insights into the overall health of the economy. Here are a few reasons why PCE is crucial. Economic indicator. Regular spending patterns reflected by PCE provide essential information regarding economic health and consumer confidence. Increasing PCE suggests positive economic conditions, while declining PCE can signal economic downturns. Policy implications. Policymakers and economists utilize PCE data to formulate fiscal policies, adjust interest rates, and develop strategic economic initiatives. Investment decisions. Businesses analyze PCE trends to gauge consumer behavior and adjust their offerings accordingly, influencing hiring practices and investment opportunities. Advantages and disadvantages of PCE. Advantages. Broad-based view. PCE data presents a comprehensive overview of consumer spending, showcasing how various economic sectors are performing. Economic insights: spending trends indicate economic stability or distress, guiding businesses and policymakers. Longitudinal analysis: continuous tracking allows for year-over-year comparisons and evaluations of economic strategies and impacts. Disadvantages: measurement errors: PCE data can experience inaccuracies due to collection processes and potential classification errors, which can misrepresent consumer spending behaviors. Revisions: due to the nature of economic measurements, past PCE figures are frequently revised, which may lead to inconsistencies in long-term data trends. Recent PCE readings. As of June 2024, personal income was reported at approximately $23.95 trillion, reflecting a monthly increase of 0.2%. Disposable personal income remained stable at slightly under $17 trillion, while PCE grew by 0.3% to a total of just over $19.44 trillion, denoting steady consumer spending resilience. The PCE price index also demonstrated a minimal rise of 0.1%, indicative of slight inflationary trends within the economy. Conclusion. In summary, personal consumption expenditures, PCE, is a pivotal measure that encapsulates consumer behaviors in the U.S. economy. From guiding monetary policy to informing business strategies, PCE data serves as a bellwether for economic conditions. Understanding its intricacies allows stakeholders to make informed decisions that can significantly impact economic growth and stability. As such, monitoring PCE is essential for anyone keen on grasping the complexities of economic dynamics in the United States.